Next one then will be the State's Opera House, a brown building on the right hand side. And very soon on the right will be the Opera House. State's Opera House is one of the major opera houses in the world, together with the Scala of Milano, Opera House in Paris, Met in New York, so about the same league we're talking. Inside you get 1,700 seats plus 500 places in the standing room. Here on the right hand side, the brown building, there it is. Excellent, here it is, yeah. We pass by the main entrance here, straight to the right now. Main entrance to the State's Opera House. That's actually the only part that survived World War II. The rest is more or less is a reconstruction, okay? Because they got bombed during World War II. Next one is a statue of Goethe, the German poet, on the right hand side. He has nothing to do with Vienna whatsoever, huh? He's just here. That's right, he's relaxing on his chair here on the right hand side. There is Goethe, okay, straight to the right. A lot to do with Vienna though has Mozart. Mozart spent 10 years of his short life in Vienna. His statue will also have on the right hand side inside this park, the white statue. You can already see it through the trees a little bit. Here you go. The best view we get when we get this entrance to the park. There he is, Mozart, okay? 1781 he arrived from his birthplace Salzburg at the age of 25, and then he stayed here for the rest of his life until he died